I hope you are all doing well. So this is week 4 for grade 7 and 8. So today we'll be working on our strength, cardio and flexibility. And for today's activity, we only require either a yoga mat or a bed sheet. For the warm-up, first we'll do neck rotation back for 10 counts. Forward rotation, 10 counts. Then from side to side. Keep your eyes open, okay, don't close your eyes. Then we'll rotate our arms, hand rotation, forward and back, 10 counts. Change the hand, forward 10 counts and back 10 counts. The next exercise is called the good morning exercise. Take shoulder width distance, go down, look in front, back straight. We'll do this also for 10 counts. Please ensure that we look in front and our back is straight. The next exercise is leg swing. You can take support of any wall or of a chair and swing your leg from inside to out. Your body will be straight for 10 counts. Once you are done with one leg, change the side and swing in and out for 10 counts. After this, we'll do alternate toe touch. Keep more than shoulder width distance, left hand to right leg and right hand to left leg. Look on top while touching your toes. The last exercise for warm up is ankle rotation. Rotate clock and anti-clockwise. Change the leg and do the same thing. The first activity is spot jumping. We'll do it for 20 seconds continuously, followed by jumping jacks. Then will be right leg hopping for 20 counts and then left leg. Our next set of cardio exercises for 20 seconds running on the spot, followed by high knee, then back kick, and then forward backward jumping. Do these activities for 20 seconds continuously without a break. The next asana for flexibility is called Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, also known as the upward facing dog pose. Once we finish with all the activities, we will do the stretching. This is the cat and camel pose. Look up and down, roll your back. Then we'll stretch our upper body, the tricep stretch. Hold each count for 10 seconds. Change the side. Again, we'll stretch our triceps. Hold down, push as much as possible down. Hold each stretch for 10 seconds and stretch. Pull as much as possible. For our legs, if you cannot balance, either take support of the wall or hold one hand up. please do proper stretching. Ensure that you'll drink a lot of water. This activity will develop our flexibility. It is called Trikona Asana. What we have to go more than shoulder width distance. Keep our hands out and bend down. Go back to position and go on the other side. Hold each pose for 10 seconds. Take a rest of 10 seconds and repeat the activity for 3 times. Once we finish all the activities, we'll go directly to cooling down. For the cooling down, the first activity is cat and camel pose. You have to roll your back inside and roll it up. Look up when you're doing the cat pose and look down for camel. Next is tricep stretch. Hold each stretch for about 10 seconds. Keep breathing and relax your muscles. Keep doing the activities properly so that we don't have muscle pain. The next is for the leg. If you cannot balance, either hold a wall or keep one hand up. Both your knees should be in one line. So this week's Kinder Play at Home is that we have to hold the downward dog position for the maximum amount of time. Please record the time that you will hold it and send it across to us on email or post it on any social media and tag us at Kinder Sports. Also, please ensure that this week you'll drink a lot of water, have a lot of nutritional food, that is, have healthy food, fruits, vegetables. See that you all take a lot of rest and try and reduce the screen time.